everyone, I am Ramon with Ramon at Home, and today I am at a local thrift store here in San Diego, California. This is the most beautiful Goodwill store I think I've ever seen. I have to show you guys. Come along. I'm gonna buy these two crystal containers and you guys will have to see how I use them on my refrigerator. This is an idea I'm gonna give you. Alright you guys, that was the cutest Goodwill store I think I've ever been in my life. It is here in Imperial Beach, California, and it is so clean and so organized, color coded, and I found some really cute things that I'm gonna use to reorganize my new refrigerator. I cannot wait to show you how that looks, but I just have to say I'm pretty impressed with the quality of the products and how inexpensive it is, probably because it is close to Coronado, and we know there's a lot of money in Coronado, so probably some of that overflow comes into this store. I'm just very impressed. The awnings outside were really cute touch to the blue and white, which you already know that I love. And like I said, all the prices are really accessible. I bought some crystal things and a cooking pan or sheet pan because I don't have one, and I'd rather buy at a Goodwill for 99 cents than go to the store and buy it for like over $10. So actually I'm on my way to another thrift store because on my way here I saw there was a thrift store on the road, so I'm gonna go check it out. Let's go see what we can find there. Well, that was not really worth our time, but sometimes you have to go in there and see what's available for you to find out whether it's worth it or not. This store was a little dirtier and it was actually kind of sketch, but the stuff did not hold up, and I just thought it was gross, to be honest, so I will not be back to this thrift store. But I'm really happy about what I found at Goodwill, so let's go put it together and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, one of the things that I purchased right now at the Goodwill store was this really pretty crystal container, and after giving it a light wash, what I'm going to do is I'm actually trying to make my refrigerator look a little bit more organized. So what I've got it for was to put my shredded cheese in it. Not only does it give me really instant access to it, but it also makes it look really pretty in the refrigerator. So if you see over here also what I got, what I'm trying to do is make this look a little bit more organized. This is the other crystal container that I got where I put my eggs. It's called decanting your eggs, and it just makes your refrigerator look a little bit more organized.